right, so let's start on 29. What is an endospore? It's a dormant cell produced by bacteria to reduce harsh environments such as extreme heat and cold, dehydration, and large amounts of UV. It's basically a suit of armor for bacteria. Okay? What are some examples of bacteria that produce endospores? Anthrax, botulism, and tetanus. Those are some that produce endospores, which is basically, again, a suit of armor that can't kill the bacteria. What are the scientific names for tetanus and botulism? Bacillus tetani and Clostridium botulinum. Now, again, I put this on here, so it must be important. 32. What are some antibiotics made from? Fungi and bacteria. 33. What is nitrogen fixation? It's a process where bacteria have enzymes that can convert nitrogen gas into nitrogen compounds. So it takes the nitrogen out of the air and it makes it into nitrogen compounds like ammonia and ammonium in the soil, maybe, or stuff like that for our plants. 34. What's the purpose of nitrogen fixation? It takes the nitrogen in the atmosphere and produces forms of nitrogen that plants can use from the soil. 35. What is normal flora? It's bacteria that covers your body inside and out and is harmless to you. They compete with harmful bacteria and prevent them from taking hold and causing disease. This is like that movie that I showed you. You have E. coli in your gut already, but when you get a different E. coli that's not supposed to be there, you have problems. You get horrible diarrhea and throw up and stuff like that. 36. Give an example of normal flora in your body. E. coli that lives inside your intestines is fine, but other strains, such as the one that caused all the lettuce romaine outbreak, that one can hurt you. 37. What is fermentation by bacteria? It's a process where foods are made with the aid of bacteria. 38. What are some examples of fermented food? Cheese, yogurt, pickles, sauerkraut, kimchi, soy sauce, and kombucha. I drink that a lot. 39. What is a chemoautotroph? This is bacteria that are autotrophs. Remember, it makes its own food and do not require light for energy. They break down and release organic compounds that contain nitrogen or sulfur. And what is a photoautotroph? It's a bacteria that are autotrophs and photosynthetic and carry out photosynthesis similar to plants. They must live in areas where there's light, such as shallow ponds and streams. All right, make sure that you study your both study guides, part 1 and part 2, and your quizzes. They're not quizzes, they're questions and answers. Okay? Thanks.